going to put this in the oven and let it melt. All right, I think for this one I'm gonna do almonds and pretzels, but these almonds are kind of big. So I think I'm going to just chop them up just a little bit. All right, here we go. So, oh, they're not melted yet. Okay, I'm gonna put them in for just another 5 more minutes. I think my candy is melted. Ooh, look at that. Probably could have gone just another couple of minutes, but it's all right. All right, now I didn't just dirty a bunch of bowls, microwaving it. I just did it straight on the tray, except I want a little more green. Oh. Ooh, that looks delicious. Okay, so now I'm gonna add some pretzels. This recipe is in my Dining on a Dime Cookbook, Volume 2, on page 318. This is the recipe it is based on. All right, I'm gonna sprinkle on my almonds. And a few red chocolate candies. And a few green chocolate candies. All right, and a few white candies. It all down. All right, here's my bark. Oh my goodness, doesn't that look delicious? Ugh. Okay. So here we go. Woo. Oh my goodness, I love it. Okay, so I haven't ever made one with almonds. Let's see. Let me get, here's a little piece with all of it right here. Okay, so I'm gonna take a bite. That is so darn tootin' delicious. It's not even funny. Oh, that is delicious. Yum. All right, to store your bark candies, just put them in a freezer bag like this. And I just put everything in there, and then what I'll do is I'll put these little pieces in a bowl and we'll just snack on those. But then all the big pieces, I just put in a freezer bag. Just like this, and you do not have to freeze them. As a matter of fact, I wouldn't freeze them. All you have to do is just push out the air, store it like that, and you can make this up to 8 weeks before Christmas.